Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with AIFS detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the official AIFS website. Locate the registration section on the home page. Click on the register button to initiate the process. Provide your personal information in the required fields. Enter your full name, email address, and phone number. Create a strong password that meets the security criteria. Confirm your password by entering it again in the designated field. Select your preferred program or service from the drop-down menu. Review the details of the program carefully before proceeding. Fill in any additional required information, such as your address and date of birth. If applicable, upload any necessary documents, like identification or transcripts. Read through the terms and conditions thoroughly. Check the box to acknowledge your agreement to the terms. Double-check all the information you've entered to ensure accuracy. Click the Submit button to complete your registration. You will receive a confirmation email once your registration is successful. Follow any further instructions in the email to activate your account. Log into your new account using your email and password. Explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the available features. Make sure to update your profile with any relevant information. If you have questions, navigate to the help section or contact customer support for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.